summertime. Right, when it's summertime and the sun's out, you'll want to be out there in your garden, in the parks, at the beach, making the best use of those rays of sun. But what about your sister locks? You need to protect them. So stay tuned to find out why and how. Hello, this is Love Those Locks, the channel where I help you care for your hair, especially for the lady of a certain age. So why protect our sister locks from the sun? There are a few reasons, and the first reason is the ultraviolet rays. Now, the ultraviolet rays of the sun can damage our hair follicles, and once the hair follicles are damaged, that can lead to the slowing down of the growth of the hair. And another important point to mention about the ultraviolet rays is that they are one of the major causes of skin cancer. Point number 2, overexposure to the sun. That can lead to causing the hair follicles to switch off the growth and move into the shedding phase. And once the hair follicles enter the shedding phase, that leads, or can lead, to hair loss. The third point is the heat. Now, the heat from the sun can lead to the hair being very dry and very brittle. And because with sister locks, unlike with loose natural hair, we're not making use of liquids, oils and creams or moisturising treatments or deep conditioning treatments, and therefore our hair being dry and brittle can ultimately lead to it breaking off. The fourth point is that the sun bleaches the hair. Now, the sun's rays or overexposure to the sun can destroy the melanin in our hair, and the melanin is what's responsible for producing the dark colour. And because our hair is dead, once that colour has been stripped from the hair strands, it won't return. And so the only way to get the colour back would be to grow it all out again, and the melanin would produce that colour. But again, if it's overexposed to the sun, the same thing could happen again. And point number 5 is that our scalp is skin, and just like the rest of our skin, it needs to be protected from the sun, so we need to take steps to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I use to protect my hair from the sun. Stay tuned. Now, onto the hats. Woo! Colourful number. And now the next hat. Woo! This is an interesting one. So you roll it out. So it's portable. This one's portable. You can roll it up and put it in your bag, and on it goes. And now to the last hat of the day, and I'll also tell you why this particular hat is the type of hat that you should go for. Here it is. Let's make sure I've got it on the right way. Now, what's special about this particular hat is that it has ultraviolet protection, and that means that it will protect you from the sun. So when going out to buy a hat or a head wrap or whatever you use to protect your hair, your sister locks, from the sun, make sure that the label clearly says that it has ultraviolet protection. That's it for this episode. Now over to you. How are you protecting your hair from the sun? Let me know in the comments. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and remember to hit the notifications bell so that you know when I next post a video. Thank you. Here's a groove slightly transformed of the... Huh?